Crew Cab. Here it is. Are you interested in a truly fantastic truck? Then take a look at this rugged 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. It's more than just style. Behind its looks, lie a ready-for-anything attitude and the stamina to help you get things done. So hook up your big toys, load your gear and then get going. New Car Test Drive Set It offers an innovative solution for people who need a full-size pickup with an 8-foot bed, but at other times want comfortable 5 or 6 passenger seating. Its cargo bed is indestructible and can take a load of gravel. The interior is as luxurious as a Suburban.